No, if you're interested in financial matters, A, you've got to have something to work with. I mean, I was fortunate in that respect because my dad paid for my education. If he hadn't, I probably wouldn't have become educated if I had to pay for myself. But
Whether or not you have a job, or you already have a job and need some extra money on the side, whether you're looking to make money online at home or via a side hustle, there are plenty of ways to quickly earn cash that will help you earn some income sooner rather than later. Keep watching the video as we will discuss some proven ways to make money fast. Number 1. Market research and online surveys. Filling out online surveys in your spare time is a popular way for people to make money fast. Some popular organizations conduct online surveys to determine the success of their products and services. Through online surveys, you can earn a few dollars here and there. For a few minutes of form filling, you can make money paid as cash or rewards. This often involves writing your opinion, answering polls or surveys, or participating in a discussion group. Go with some trustable names for survey providers such as Swagbucks, Fiverr, and other similar platforms that can be better to choose from.
If you take a group of people with the right equity incentives and organize them in a startup, you can unlock human potential in a way never before possible. You get them to achieve unbelievable things.
Number 2. Become a delivery rider. Do you have a smartphone, a motorbike, or a bicycle? You are good to go. That's all you need to make some extra money by delivering food whenever you've got some spare time. Drivers receive a payment for each order they pick up and deliver to the customer. They can choose to work as much or as little as they want. Delivery specialist companies are always on the hunt for new riders. Sign up for them. Number 3. Gigs on Fiverr.
What Fiverr even is to other people in your friends group or family. This video is for you.
Fiverr is the world's largest marketplace for people to make money selling small services. You showcase your skills and get paid for the work you do. Knowing how to make money on Fiverr can offer endless work opportunities, giving you a reliable income stream from any part of the world. You can provide anything from writing, translating, voiceovers, designing, and short video clips for people worldwide. You can earn more and raise your rates once you have some experience. Number 4. Sell your photography. Turn your photographs into cash via sites like Fine Art America. The web is a beautiful place for photographers, which lets you upload your images to sell as prints, t-shirts, phone cases, and more. Other marketplaces for photographers include SmugMug, 500px, and PhotoShelter. Whether you're shooting on the newest iPhone or the latest Canon DSLR, you can sell photos online as a photographer. As a beginner, you can also submit specific pictures to sites like Burst, where millions of people find stock photos for their projects. This helps build your brand and photos awareness, leading to future sales.
Which actually was earning more money and reinvesting and paying dividends and maybe purchasing stock, whatever it might be. You would now have over 100 times.
Number 5. Babysitting. Babysitting is the newest additional income source that the Western countries have adopted, and parents everywhere are always in need of babysitting and nanny services. You do not have to undergo any training for that. All you must do is thoroughly get devoted to babysitting and gel up with babies. Consider listing your childcare services on sites like care.com. This website lets you create a profile you can use to find new babysitting clients and pick up some extra cash.
Success leaves clues, kids. I just named 5 of the greatest names in business in the last 150 years. And they all have one thing in common. They're ball busters. They're hard as nails. Where does that leave you? I still work 50, 60 hours a week. And I haven't had to work in 35 years.
Number 6. Dog walking. If babies aren't your thing, then maybe dogs are. Dog walking is one of the most demanding and profitable services, as the dog owners spend more time away from home working, leaving their dogs unattended in the house for many hours in the day. Dog walking jobs are a perfect way for animal lovers to earn cash while working flexible hours. Sign up to watch pets while their owners are out of town. Number 7. YouTube channel. Turn your videos into cash videos. Get advertising revenue from your YouTube channel. If your YouTube videos draw a big audience, you may make money from advertising. You only need to create consistent, engaging content to make money on YouTube. Create a YouTube channel around one niche, whatever you think will keep your audience interested. This will help you build a loyal audience that tunes into your channel repeatedly. Once you've reached 1,000 subscribers, you can make money running YouTube ads on your channel. Number 8. Sell your used items. Do you have used items that you no longer want? Selling those to someone and getting paid for them is a good idea to earn those extra bucks. Take a few photos, write a brief description, and post your items for sale on Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace. You can also trade your old, unwanted electronics for cash, such as mobile phones, laptops, tablets, etc. Trading these items will make quick cash with minimal effort. You can also consider selling your used clothes that you no longer want at consignment shops. This online consignment shop lets you sell clothing and accessories for prices you set. This can be done with only an internet connection. Number 9. Become a rideshare driver. Advances in technology have made for exciting job opportunities. Driving for Uber or Lyft is among the most popular side hustles. This option offers flexibility, as you can pick your schedule anytime and work when it's feasible for you. Drivers who spend more hours behind the wheel will typically earn more than those who just work a few hours per day. You need to have a valid driver's license, a residence in the state where you intend to work, and car insurance. Number 10. Tutor kids online or in person. Whether you want to start tutoring online or you know some younger kids who need tutoring, there are plenty of opportunities available in any subject. You could easily tutor for cash and start by marketing your services directly to schools, placing ads in a neighborhood newsletter or a Facebook page. You can also provide tutoring from the comfort of your home by online tutoring gigs. Earning more money is your ticket to freedom, but it won't always be easy. Successful entrepreneurs and side hustlers don't get rich overnight. You have to experiment with more than one money-making venture before deciding your best path to building real wealth. Let us know how these money-making ways have benefited you in earning extra cash. We will be back again with more informative videos soon. See ya!